Google Gemini AI is about to change everything we know about technology, and OpenAI's agents are leading the way in ways you won't believe. OpenAI's agents are surprising even their creators. Google's Gemini project has made a huge breakthrough, and a new robotics world model is about to shake up industries globally. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video to stay ahead of the AI revolution. OpenAI's agents, a game changer. First up, OpenAI has recently introduced agents that are blowing minds, even within the company. These agents aren't just responding to commands, they are learning and adapting in real time to perform tasks more efficiently than ever. Initially built to handle basic automation, these agents have evolved far beyond expectations. The shocking part? OpenAI's team didn't expect this level of sophistication so soon. These agents can now manage complicated tasks like optimizing workflows, improving processes in healthcare, and even trading in financial markets. Imagine having an AI agent manage your investments, learning from market fluctuations faster than human traders ever could. OpenAI's agents are making their mark in industries, handling high-level tasks once thought impossible for AI. As they continue to evolve, these agents could start automating parts of our lives that we haven't even considered yet. This is the next phase of AI development, and it's happening faster than anyone predicted. Google Gemini, a new AI milestone. Let's shift gears to Google's latest development, Gemini. Unlike previous AI systems, Gemini is designed for collaborative intelligence. It's not just another language model. It interacts with other AI systems to handle complex, multi-layered tasks. Google calls it collaborative AI, and it's designed to tackle multiple challenges at once, like processing language, analyzing data, and making decisions. Gemini's ability to collaborate with other AI systems is a breakthrough. Imagine this: AI tools that handle your investments, taxes, and even spending patterns, all working together seamlessly. Google's Gemini takes AI's potential to a whole new level, making it more versatile than ever. What's truly exciting is how Gemini integrates safety measures to ensure ethical decision-making. As AI systems become more powerful, this focus on safety becomes increasingly important. Google has embedded these safeguards right into Gemini's framework, which could set a new standard for AI development. New robotics world model, transforming industries. Finally, let's talk about the new robotics world model, NRWM, a massive leap forward for robotics. This new model is designed to allow robots to operate in environments that were previously too unpredictable, such as construction sites or outdoor locations. The NRWM combines AI and machine learning, enabling robots to adapt to their surroundings in real time. The most exciting part? These robots will soon be able to handle tasks like construction, agriculture, and even healthcare more efficiently than humans. Imagine robots autonomously managing a building site, adjusting their actions based on real-time data to get the job done faster and safer. This robotics model will not only reshape industries, but could also create new investment opportunities. As automation continues to take over labor-intensive tasks, the job market will shift. Understanding these trends now can help you stay ahead in your investments. The big picture. What does all this mean for you? The AI landscape is evolving at an incredible pace, and these developments could have a direct impact on how you manage your finances. OpenAI's agents and Google's Gemini are pushing the boundaries of what AI can do, and the new robotics world model is set to disrupt industries in a big way. Staying informed on these changes will help you make smarter financial decisions and stay ahead of the curve as AI transforms industries. The future of AI is bright for those who are prepared to take advantage of these groundbreaking innovations. If you found this update helpful, like this video and subscribe to MoneyMind AI for more insights on how AI is transforming the world of finance. Don't forget to share it with your friends who need to know about these game-changing developments. The world of AI is just starting, and you don't want to miss out.